There is an incredibly rich and robust community, both within and around the nonprofit and nonprofit tech industry. And you really can't be in this industry for very long and not run into the incredible luminaries. And several years ago, when exploring new options, HubSpot really popped up as a potential new idea in the nonprofit tech industry. And from there, it really was an evolution of the group that came together as Benevolent Tech and realizing that there is this moment that is emerging where a great disruption is coming and where new opportunities and new solutions, and most importantly, breaking down the competitive silos between all of the organizations that are serving the nonprofit industry. This was a moment that was coming, and lucky enough to meet my partners like Tracy and Amy Rose and Nicole Reyes and Bob Breck and Elsa Roberts. And we just came together in a rather organic way. And so we're sort of a group of veterans in the industry that saw an opportunity to do something a little different. And over some sushi and sake in Portland at NTC last year, we said, let's take our companies and put them together into something that's greater than some of its parts.
Yeah, the only thing I would really add to that, Brian, is I met you in the fall of 2023. And I personally, and I've said this in multiple locations, my ethos on technology, particularly as applied to nonprofits, is that choice is good, competition is good, consolidation is bad, centralization is out of date. And ultimately, like the more we can take what is available out there and tailor it to the needs of the industries, the better served organizations will be, period. Full stop. No, like, except our solution is better. No, except put things here and it's just the nature of the beast. So in the era that I met you, Brian, I was actually reacting to two things. I was reacting to the literal decimation of what was formerly known as Salesforce.org. That's dead. And the fact that through that decimation, the Nonprofit Success Pack, which is a tool that I personally, amongst many others, helped develop and build, it was starting to die on the vine. And I think what I wanted to do was leverage what I knew could be done inside of HubSpot and create a new landing zone for organizations who want to do two things really well together: fundraise and engage. And I've really started referring to HubSpot as the action center for your integrations, for your data, for your world that you need to engage and cultivate and draw into you. And when you look at it that way, it's no longer coming to an organization and saying, if you centralize everything, including all of the architecture and all of the code and all of the processes in our solution, you'll be fine. That worked in 2010 when we had no other alternatives. What we're actually saying to organizations is, let's figure out who you are, how you work best, how you can use this technology best, what are the right solutions, and what do you need to act on? And that's where we will focus inside of HubSpot. We have some product-based announcements that I've been futzing on for about 8 months. So we're going to announce some of that at NTC on HubSpot Day on the 15th of April in Baltimore. So there you go. That's all I'll add.